Today I'm making blueberry muffins, and here are the ingredients that we need. 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of room temperature butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, and 1.5 cups of blueberries. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. Alright, our first step is to cream our sugar and butter. And our sugar, so egg number 1, let's incorporate that. And then egg number 2. We'll pop that one in and get that well mixed. Alright, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get in all of the salt and our baking powder. I'm going to start mixing that in. Then what I'm going to do now is just take the milk and just get it in there. There we go. This is a really simple recipe. And when you pour the milk in, you may see a little bit of curdling, but that is absolutely natural. It's normal for that to happen. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get our flour in. I'm going to put in about half. I'll just sift that in today. And then I'm just going to turn the beaters on very slowly just to mix this in a little bit, very slowly. I don't want to overwork this batter. And then I'll add in the rest. And there we go. And I'll just slowly incorporate the last bit of flour here. So I've got it on speed number 1. I don't want to overwork this batter. There we go, perfect. And now the last step is to incorporate our blueberries. So I have a cup and a half of blueberries. We're going to pop those in. And I'm going to grab a spatula. And we're just going to fold these in. And that's good, perfect. I've got an ice cream scoop here, and I'm just going to scoop my little muffins out. So I'm grabbing the batter, and I just want to fill all of these. So your oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to bake these 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to continue on doing this, and I'll be back in a minute. So there are my blueberry muffins. I'm going to pop those in the oven now, 375 degrees, and I'll be back when they're baked. So here are the muffins. They just came out of the oven, a total of 24 minutes. So I'll let them cool down, and I'll be back in a bit. Alright, my muffins have completely cooled, and I removed them from the tins, and I just want to show you how nice these are inside. Look at how full of blueberries those are. I have to give this a try. Yummy. This is a great recipe. It's really fast. So please try it out. And that's it for this video, so I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.